Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate the 12 secret words on the Nash wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Nash app, then go to the settings menu, which is in the bottom right corner, and in the settings menu go to the profile and security option. And here tap on the security icon, which is the third one. And on this list, the fifth option is going to be the 12 secret words. And if you tap on it, you can you can first check all the 12 secret words to back up your wallet. You have to note all those words somewhere safe, and those words are going to provide security for your account. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.